Hi Scorpio, welcome to your general and love reading for the month of October. I don't know why I wanted it in September, but it is October. I apologize for the delay in your reading. I've been trying to do monthly readings, just trying to shake up the channel a little. Don't want to just stick to twin flames. I mean, I'm going to continue doing twin flames, but we want to know about other things in life as well. But sometimes my time restrictions don't allow me to post regularly, but I'm trying. All right, so let's see what's in store for general for Scorpio for the month of October. We've got your dreams need a practical plan and hold your vision. These cards have come up quite a few times in other card readings as well. I feel like there is a plan that you've been trying to manifest, and the universe is saying that just be true to your vision, but at the same time you need to have a practical plan. Maybe you've been too much in your head, oh, I want this and I want that, Scorpio, but at the end of the day you do need to kind of figure out how you're going to achieve those things. You got to put in the effort. Maybe you've been spending too much time just dreaming about what it is that you want, but the truth is you may not have been putting in all the effort in the 3D. You need to take certain steps to allow the universe to help you manifest what it is that you want. And that's what the universe is trying to tell you, that your dreams do need a practical plan. You need to put in the effort. You've been going through a massive amount of personal growth, and that has been great. You've been going through a lot of growth, a lot of a lot of effort, but maybe just put in a little bit more work in the practical side. All right, so now let's look at your love for Scorpio. We've got the Holy Spirit. Expect miracles. Remember that only love is real. Miracles will occur naturally. Spirit has your back. So what this is telling me, first off, is that the universe has your back. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. Only love is real. Don't let other bullshit kind of come in the way. Hold true to your vision, all right? You've been going through a lot of personal growth, and love is possible. Whatever it is that you want in life is possible. We've also called Sanat Kumara, sorry. Shine your light. Internal guidance is coming through loud and clear. This is telling me your intuition is quite strong at this time, and you need to kind of focus more on that. You don't need to worry about how things are going to happen, when things are going to happen. Just focus on your intuition, because your intuition is very strong, and it is telling you that things are going to work itself out. You are surrounded by the universe has your back, so keep that in place. So let's see what else is in store for your love life. Wow, okay. Whee! Okay. Love life. All right, so that's good. We've got a manifestation card, follow your dreams, leadership, and health. So the the leadership card goes well with the practical plan card. This is telling me again that maybe there is some steps you need to take in the physical to make your dreams come true. Maybe you kind of haven't done couple of little things that you need to do in the physical. You need to put in a little bit of more effort, not just dreaming and visualizing, but then actually doing what needs to be done. Like, for example, if you want a meeting with a person, you need to try to at least call them or email them or whatever the case may be, right? Just giving an example. The same when it comes to your love life. Maybe you want love to come into your life, but you haven't kind of made a move. You haven't joined a dating service. You've just been home. You've not met anyone. You've not done anything. Or if you want a relationship to go to the next level, but you haven't said that or you haven't spoken about that, So that's what it is. Your health might be of some concern. For me, I feel like the health could be mental energy, energetic energy. Doesn't have to just be physical health, but could be. Maybe that's playing a role when it comes to your love life. Maybe mentally you're not completely gung-ho about it. Maybe you've been a little kind of, you're like, okay, I've had too much, I can't deal with it, or my energy is not all there, or I need to balance my energy. Maybe I'm going too much in the lower vibration. Maybe I've been thinking too negatively. those are all health related issues, and that could be very much affecting your love life. All right, the universe is saying you got to follow your dreams. Excuse me. Don't give up on your dreams. You've got two cards that's talking about holding on to your dreams, holding on to your vision. They have this, they're both saying don't give up. There is definitely something amazing en route for you. Your manifestations are coming to fruition. You got two cards. You got manifestation, you got miracles. Excuse me. Okay, my throat randomly I started coughing. Maybe there is something up with your throat chakra. Maybe you haven't really spoken your mind when it comes to your love life. But the truth is there is something you need to take, some action you need to take in your love life to make your dreams come true, to make this manifestation happen. Whatever it is that you want to achieve in your love life is possible. God, what's happening? Excuse me. Sorry about that. I know I don't have COVID. Well, I better not, right? All right, what else? Wow. All right, we've got let your friends help you, worth waiting for, and reconciliation. I feel for some of you, you might have been waiting for a past love situation to come about. I feel like a lot of people are getting reconciliation, which is great. Your friends, maybe you need to ask your friends to help you. That's maybe the leadership thing. That may be the practical plan. Maybe you need to speak to a particular person that you have been separated for a long time, and your friends know that person. So maybe you need your friends' help, to kind of speak to them or connect with them. Just giving an example. This could also mean that you can ask the universe to help you. The universe is also there to support you. You've got worth waiting for and reconciliation. And then you had manifestation and follow your dreams and expect miracles. I mean, to me, this is like whatever it is that you want. If you have been waiting for somebody from your past to come back, things are definitely looking up for you. You might have to take certain steps to make that happen, but that's definitely a huge possibility. For others, if you are already in a relationship, maybe you want things to go to the next level. There are certain things maybe you want to manifest that you've been waiting for, maybe waiting to get married, maybe waiting to have kids, move in together, but that is also possible. The universe is also saying that all of this happens in divine timing. So you may want it to happen at a particular time, but it doesn't always work that way. Things happen in divine timing, all right? You might have to take the steps you need to take, and you got to expect miracles. Free yourself from any doubt and fear. I feel like that's where the health card is coming. Maybe you've been holding on to too much negativity. Maybe you just don't believe this is possible, Scorpio. But the universe is saying it is possible. Follow your dreams and just, take the steps you're guided to take. There are certain steps you need to take. Embody yourself. You may have thoughts and ideas, but the universe needs you to implement that in your daily activity. There is no awareness without alignment. Exactly. I feel like you know what you need to do, but there are certain things in the physical, in your day-to-day that you're not doing. All right. So maybe that is what you need to do, that to make all your dreams come true. All right, because both of them are talking about how you need to be the leader and you need to put some effort into it. So there's some things you need to do, but you're not completely in alignment because you're not actually alignment with your dreams, because you're not taking the actions you're meant to take. Detach from other people's problems. You are not responsible for what intentions, actions, and reactions people choose for themselves. This situation is not something you need to deal with right now. Give up the need to save or fix people for their karmic incompletion. So maybe it's a good idea for you to detach from people that have been naysayers who affect your health. Maybe a lot of people around you are kind of negative, and they've kind of been, putting their negativity on you, and that has been like, bringing you down because you're like, hey, like, I want to be positive. I need to do all the things to stay positive, to manifest my dreams. And then there are people around you who are like, oh, you're not good enough. Oh, this is bullshit. Oh, this is not going to happen. All of those things. So just let go of that. That is their problem. All the naysayers, all the people who judge you, That is not a reflection on you, it is a reflection on them, and that is something they need to sort out, not you. All right, Scorpio, I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye.